TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 91. You get the NASDAQ up 30 points. S&Ps are up 7.5. Gold contracts up $6, trading at $12.5950. You get silver up 30 cents, $17.10 an ounce. Platinum's up $2, $9.42 an ounce. We get the copper market flat, $2.58 a pound. Light sweet crude up 43 cents, $51.10 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note flat, 126.06, 30-year bond up 4 ticks, 153.31. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, they're over the consolidation. It was a huge consolidation. The note had been over it now for about 6 weeks. That was a 4.5-month consolidation. Bonds got back over it last week and with conviction. That sets up a 158 30-year bond, which is pretty intense. King dollar. King dollar down 300 ticks, 96.730. King dollar, folks, has get toasted, roasted, has volume on the way down. What I expect you're going to see here is actually an acceleration of lower price. Because what you have here is that each and every day there's zero bids on this. Bottom line is that when you get that 5, 6, 7 days in a row, which we have right now, I expect we're going to get a very fast acceleration, bring it down to about the 95 area. The euro is trading at 112 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111.19 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps, what you have happening out here. The SPY on Friday, bottom line, gave it up as it went over the downdraft of last Wednesday. The number to keep your eye on, we're testing that area right now on the open. It's 238.64. We take a look at the cash S&P, same type of setup inside the cash S&P. What you have is this cash S&P. The number to keep your eye on out here is going to be the 2384 mark. And right now you're at 2392. Dow Industrials, weak dog out here, as well as the small caps, the Russell 2000. What we've had out here is that the Dow Industrials first were up $94. You're at 20,899. The number to keep your eye on is 20,846. NASDAQ Composite, same type of setup. They're all set up the exact same, folks, meaning that they're getting into their highs. We'll see whether they can stay over them. Now, the high of the composite of the downdraft is 61.22. We hit 61.16 thus far, and that's where we are right now. NDX 100, same type of setup. What you have at the NDX right now is the NDX is up, trading at a price point of 56.83, and that high that we're looking at is 56.88. We've hit the 56.84. We'll see whether we can make it up into that area. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract trading at a price point of $12.59. You've got 116,000 contracts traded. Last week, gold moved with conviction. You had the wide price spread. You had the volume behind the move. Gold's making its move up to this 1297 area. That is the swing high of April. Silver is the same type of setup. Now, silver has quite a way to catch up with gold. It's getting it out there today. We're up 30 cents. You've done 46,000 contracts. You're taking a swing point out, and it looks like we're going to take the swing point out with volume. We need 120,000 contracts. You're at 46 right now. That'll give you a small ABC structure on the way up, and that'll help it get up into this $18.75 area. The 10-year note, that little baby, bottom line, keeps wanting higher price, lower yield, and the 30-year joined it last week. 30-year trading at a price point of 153. A 30, anything over the 152.12 is saying, number one, that wants to go for the high of 155.16, and you very well can get up and over that high, and it's all about King Dollar, folks. King Dollar just can't handle it. This thing is accelerating on the way down. You're at 96.710. I expect what we're going to see down here is that this baby's going to run down to the 95 area. That move is going to throw a spin inside all the markets. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.